What's up, guys? We are at Lake Mamie. Got our float tubes ready. Still looking for that big one. Hopefully we run into it today. It's a beautiful day out here. Check it out. Man, I gotta use the restroom bad before I go out there. I think it's gonna be a good day, hopefully. If it is, you guys are gonna see it. So stay tuned. We'll be back. We'll be launching out. Man, I left my chest mount at home, so not gonna get that front footage or the first person footage, but it's all good. But anyways, catch you guys on the water. All right, guys, about to launch out. Getting ready. You guys ever float tube before? Anybody have any bad experiences float tubing? Or good? Comment below. Alright, so maybe we start working from that way. Alright guys, I'm gonna shut this off, start the fishing. Hopefully we tie into something. And then we'll be back. Hopefully my face doesn't get too burnt right now. Alright guys. Check out this view, guys. It is just so nice. Oh, she got one over there. Alright, now it's our turn. Alright guys, Richard tied into his first fish. I wasn't really able to catch a lot of that action, but check out his fish.
Got the party started.
Ooh, that's a nice one.
Yeah.
Hold them up. That is a nice one. Not bad. Yeah, it's a nice size. That's a decent one for sure. Christine, I'm at your lucky spot where you caught your first big one. See if I get lucky too. I just lost my chance, guys. I hooked up onto the one that I saw, the big one. But then it popped off. Man. Got one, guys. It's a little brookie. Finally got a little brookie on this little mini jig. Check it out, guys. little brookie. Little brookie. Caught him on the little mini jig. All right. Richard's on a fish, guys, and it's a good one. His first big one right here. Take your time, though. Take your time. Try to get closer to me, though.
Oh, shit.
Damn. Damn. The hook came off?
Yeah. It broke the line.
Richard just lost his first big one. You sure you tied it right?
Yeah. No, I had the swivel.
Damn. His first big one, guys.
That was huge. What were you? I don't know. How much weight?
Damn. That was his big one right there. Damn. His first big one. Well, they're still out here, so there's still a chance. Alright, guys, we'll be back. Got a good one, guys. Got a good one, guys. This is the one, guys. He's right next to you. This is the one, guys. We've been waiting for this one. Come on. Christine, are you watching? Oh, there's dust on here. This is the one right here. Hell yeah. Come on. This one's actually fighting like crazy. All right, breathe. This one's actually fighting like crazy. All right, breathe. Come on, he's getting a little tired. Come on. Oh shit. Man, this one is strong as hell. Yeah, it's right in front of me. It's a big one. Yeah. She's going crazy. Oh. Oh. Damn. That's a big one. Damn. That's a big one. That's the big one. That's the big one. This is like a 7-pounder, 8-pounder. It's gonna pop out. Shit. There he is. Damn. Man, we did it. We didn't give up. Oh. Check him out, guys. Check him out. That's the one. That was a freaking fight, man. Taking your time and letting him run. Enough to keep the line tight, but you have to let him run. All right, guys. I'm a happy camper. Caught him on a Sierra Slammer. I changed like 20 different colors. There it is. Man, that fight was incredible. That was a crazy fight. Man, I'm happy right now. That's just awesome. All right, guys. What I got is a 4-pound P-line floor clear Sierra Slammer. I'm gonna get back into action. We'll be back. All right, guys, mission completed. We got some big ones. Woo!
I lost my fatty, but it's all right. Still got another
10.
Medium size.
Check them out. So I was using a white and a lime green Sierra Slammer. Richard was using Thomas Point.
Thomas Point.
He was using Thomas Point. What color was that?
A Rasta color.
Rasta color?
Yeah.
Nice.
Got a little Rasta in it.
Man, this guy feels pretty heavy. Man, he gave such a great fight. What a way to end the day. Beautiful scenery, great big fish, relaxing. Man, it was fun. All right, guys, see you guys next time.